Hi, Sanas, and just a quick feedback regarding the 500K challenge. It's a challenge that I've taken up in November 2021, where I saw a video of two experts that invested 500,000 Rand for a client. I immediately took up that challenge and I said that I'm also going to do something similar, but with my own money. But instead of starting with 500,000, I'll start with 100 Rand the first year to get to the 500,000 so that I can compete with them and then with my own money, of course, and then outperform them over the 5-year term with at least 100%. In the process, I will also get a property portfolio to the value of 10 million rands. And on the 29th of May, we've paid the last payment on that. There were no banks involved, as I've said in the original challenge. And I just want to say that we are now in the process to transfer that property to the entity where I bought it. Now, I think it's important that we understand the power of the wealth creator strategy. There are two ways that one can invest. The normal way or the conventional way, that is where you take your money, you give it to someone else. They invest it on your behalf and then you hope, because there's nothing that you can do. It depends on the markets, it depends on the exchange rates, it depends on the kind of funds or wherever you've invested. So there's a lot of uncertainties and you've got no control over the risk, you've got no control over the growth. And because of that, that is not what I'm doing. Now, of course, there's nothing wrong with that. And I want to stress that. So if you invest in the conventional way, you do not want to take the responsibility, then that by far is the best way. At least you are trying to do something with your money. But this is not what we as wealth creators do. A wealth creator is a person that knows how to create, to grow, to protect, and to enjoy their wealth. The way that we do it, we apply the wealth creator strategy, which is intelligent use of limited resources to go from where you are to where you want to be in the shortest possible time with the least amount of risk. Risk is when you do not know or understand what you're doing. So the way that we offset risk and mitigate risk and manage risk is simply to get the high-value skills. There are 4 of them. It's high-value mental skills, business skill, income skills, and investment skills. And the moment that you start combining that, that is when you get the results that I am showing and that I'm proving to, first of all, my students, but I'm also sharing this on YouTube for whoever may be interested. We've paid the last payment, so that property, we are waiting for the transfer. We took control of that property in November 2024, so it's less than 2 years now that we've got that, but you have to look at the whole strategy to see why we could end up with what we've got in terms of that specific property. So at the moment, one of the things that I'm thinking of now that I can say the property is ours, we will have the title deed hopefully within the next couple of weeks or months, depending on how long they're going to take, is to give you a crash, let's call it a crash course, but I want to base it on what is the outcome of that so that you can follow what I'm saying. Because a lot of people say, honest, but how is it possible? How can you take 100 Rand, turn it into a 10 million property portfolio without going to the bank or standing security? But when you tell people how to do that, it's almost like there's a disconnect. They still don't get it. This, by the way, today is the 1st of June, 2026. I'm thinking of doing like a 4-lesson crash course and give you the basic tools that I'm using to explain and to demonstrate what is possible the moment that you understand how the wealth creator strategy works. And then in the last lesson, the 5th video, is to take you through the process step by step by actually showing you how I've applied those 4 lessons that I'm going to give you in order to get the outcome. So I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to structure it. Maybe what we can do, we can start on the 1st of July officially, but then it's going to be a paid course. In the meantime, if you are interested and you would like to help me to sort out the course and to see what is important and what's not important and to ask questions, I can do that perhaps to you for free. There is going to be requirements, for example, unless you're an action taker and you do it within a certain time frame, I'm not going to show you the last videos. I'm not sure when I'm going to make that video. It's just a thought that came into my mind this morning, and I want to test that, right? So if you're willing to test that, give me a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to start in the meantime to see how I can best do it so that you guys can get the maximum value from this lesson, because now I can officially say that the property is ours, that we've secured that. I've also mentioned, by the way, in the first videos, that not only am I going to turn this into a 10 million property portfolio, that was part of it, but into a total portfolio of 20 million. Now, if you evaluate it the way that the industry is going to do the valuations, I'm sure that we are far over 20 million at the moment. But I'm not going to focus on that. I'm just going to focus on the 10 million, because the moment that we can do that, then I can go back and officially on the 1st of November 2026, that is the end date of my official challenge, and I compare apples with apples so that I can say, okay, based on, let's call it the cost price of the property, I can have figures without trying to blow anything up or work on PE ratios and funny stuff. So let me know in the comment section if you are interested in something like that. I'm going to formalize my ideas, and then I'll get back to you when I'm more certain what I'm going to do. In the meantime, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.